Want to burn fat, boost your metabolism, and get stronger all in just 10 minutes a day? Welcome to the 10-minute daily push-up routine for fat loss. This simple yet effective workout will help you torch calories, build muscle, and improve your endurance. No equipment needed, just your dedication and a few spare minutes. Why push UPS for fat loss? Push-ups are not just a strength-building exercise, they're a powerful fat-burning tool. Since push-ups engage multiple muscle groups, they increase your heart rate and help you burn more calories in a short time. When combined with proper intensity and consistency, push-ups can aid in fat loss and overall body toning. Here's why push-ups are great for shedding fat. Full body activation works your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and legs. Boosts metabolism. The more muscles you engage, the more calories you burn. Improves endurance, builds strength while keeping your heart rate elevated. Time efficient. No need for long workouts, just 10 minutes a day is enough. Increases core stability. Strengthening your core helps in overall fitness and posture. No equipment needed, you can do push-ups anywhere, making them a convenient workout option. The 10-minute routine. This workout is designed to keep your body moving and maximize fat burn in a short time. We will follow a high-intensity interval training, HIIT, approach, alternating between different push-up variations and active rest periods. This method ensures maximum calorie burn while keeping your muscles engaged. Minute 1 to 2, Standard Push UPS. Start with regular push-ups to activate your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Focus on proper form, keep your core engaged and your back straight. Perform these push-ups at a steady pace. Minute 3 to 4, Wide Push UPS. Spread your hands wider than shoulder width. This targets your chest more and increases the range of motion, helping burn more calories. Make sure to keep your movements controlled and avoid straining your shoulders. Minute 5 to 6, Knee Push UPS, Active Recovery. Drop to your knees if needed, maintaining good form. This allows you to keep moving without losing intensity. Use this time to recover slightly while still engaging your muscles. Minute 7 to 8, Diamond Push UPS. Form a diamond shape with your hands by placing your thumbs and index fingers together. This variation works your triceps intensely, adding to overall fat burn. Keep your elbows close to your body for maximum effectiveness. Minute 9, Explosive Push UPS. Push yourself off the ground with power, engaging your fast-twitch muscle fibers to maximize calorie burn. If this is too difficult, do regular push-ups at a faster pace. Minute 10, Max Out Push UPS. Finish strong by performing as many push-ups as you can within this last minute. Push your limits while maintaining good form. Additional push-up variations. To keep the workout challenging and prevent plateaus, you can include these variations. Spider-Man Push UPS, bring your knee to your elbow as you lower down, engaging your obliques. Pike Push UPS, targets shoulders more intensely, increasing upper body strength. Slow Tempo Push UPS, perform push-ups in slow motion to increase muscle engagement. Archer Push UPS, shift your weight to one side while keeping the other arm extended, increasing intensity. Tips to maximize results. Heavy checkmark, maintain intensity, keep moving and minimize rest periods to keep your heart rate high. Heavy checkmark, engage your core, a tight core improves balance and enhances fat burn. Heavy checkmark, control your breathing, exhale as you push up, inhale as you lower down. Heavy checkmark, stay hydrated, drink water before and after your workout to stay energized. Heavy checkmark, combine with a healthy diet. Fat loss is 80% nutrition, so eat clean for best results. Heavy checkmark, track your progress, keep a journal or take weekly progress pictures to stay motivated. Heavy checkmark. Set goals, aim to increase your reps over time to continuously challenge yourself. Heavy checkmark, stretch before and after, helps prevent injuries and improve flexibility. 1. Can beginners do this routine? Absolutely. Beginners can start with knee push-ups and gradually build up to standard push-ups. 2. How many calories can I burn with this routine? Depending on your weight and intensity, you can burn anywhere from 50 to 100 calories in 10 minutes. 3. Can I do this routine daily? Yes, but listen to your body. If you feel too sore, take a rest day or do an alternative low-impact workout. 4. Will this help tone my arms and chest? Yes. Push-ups target the chest, shoulders, and triceps, helping tone and define your upper body. Are you up for the challenge? Try this 10-minute daily push-up routine for fat loss and share your progress in the comments. Smash the like button, subscribe for more fitness routines, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a workout. Watch next, full body HIIT workout for beginners. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more daily fitness tips.